Linear inequalities, level 2. Inequality refers to the signs that are not equal signs. Usually it's the less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than equal. We always read it left to right. So if I read it, in this case, we read it left to right. If I read it left to right, this is the small side first, so this is a less than sign. Excuse me. The thing we have to be careful of is whenever we multiply or divide by a negative, the inequality sign flips. So that's the big thing to kind of keep track of here. So let's go ahead and analyze. Solve this inequality for C. So we get C by itself. And they want us to write our answer in simplest form. Okay. So if we look at it, notice that C is on the left. So that's going to be our key, is we want to get C on the left and go from there. So to do this, we would want to distribute first to simplify, and then we'll move everything that doesn't have a C to the right, and everything that does have a C will stay on the left. All right, so this now becomes 10C plus 16C plus 20 less than C, and then we can go ahead and combine these. That's minus 15. Combine like terms, basically. All right, so combine like terms on the left. So that's going to be 26C plus 20 less than C minus 15. I'll move all the C's to the left and all the numbers to the right. So minus C, and minus 20, minus 20. And you can do this one stage at a time, but since this is pretty straightforward, just focusing on the letters and the numbers together are fine. So this now becomes 25C less than negative 35. Divide by 25. It's not a negative, so the inequality stays as a less than. If it were a negative that we were dividing, we would switch it. And C is less than negative. We'll reduce. 5 goes into 35 7 times. And C and 5 goes into 25 5 times. Negative 7/5. C is less than, there's our inequalities, negative 7 divided by 5. So that's going to be our strategy with dealing with the inequalities. Everything looks like what I did. Okay. See if the next one's any different. It looks exactly the same type of problem. So the key is distributing, combine like terms, get all your R's to the left. And then if you have to divide or multiply by a negative, the inequality would switch.